Hi friends, welcome to my new program Deadlines Tracker version 6.3. This is the main page control. I have called it as control panel. I have got 36 sheets here. I have got 36 sheets. Come back. You can come back by clicking this or stepping on this. I have 36 pages. I have that is 36 sheets. And here I have got 36 different command buttons. 36 command buttons with different subjects, different topics. Here, this is family health. Click on this. You go to this sheet. Come back. Click on writing a book. You go to this page. See, I'll put today's date here. 4/21, 2026. Okay. Writing a book. Go back. Writing a book, today's date. So if we click on today, you'll find all dates, all today's dates show a color, show red color. These are yesterday, up to yesterday. These dates are up to yesterday. This is today's date. This is tomorrow plus 4 days after 5 days. Supposing I go to this page, car maintenance. I'll say 22, 2026. I'll put, I'll take tomorrow's date. Okay. So this is here. Up to yesterday, dates up to yesterday, today's date, see, not covered. Tomorrow plus 4 days, it's covered here. So these are dates which occur after 5 days. Supposing creating website, it is 16th December. It's a future date. Let's go and let's go. I'll put a I'll put today's date. Okay. So the program has changed from December 16th to April 21st. See, what was it? 20, creating website. Creating my website. It is, see, it is 21st. Come back. See, it is today's date. Today's dates are selected. Dates up to yesterday. Is that tomorrow plus 4 days. After 5 days. So you can navigate with the help of arrow keys also. So I have deliberately kept this one, this select topic here, so that you can navigate like this. You can navigate like this. You can navigate like this. You can select these are yet to be named. I have not named them. So if I go to 7, if I say 7, you go to 7, sheet number 7. Come back like this. You go to learn piano. 1, 2, 3. You go to see new house. 1, 2, 3. You come back. So this is how it works. And mostly you need to change topics, all the topics. See, if I say, I'll say health. Number 2, I'll say nutrition. Okay. You can change like this. All the 36 values you can change. After changing, see here, one thing you have to note here is all special characters are disallowed. See, if you try to get a slash here, no, it's not possible. This I have allowed, underscore. The rest they are not allowed. Okay. After making changes to these two values, I'll say click changes. Okay. Now go to topics user form. Topics. Go to topics. See, this is Health is here. It was family health earlier. Now it is health. So it was something else. Now it is nutrition. So this way we can change all the topics, keep track of each topic, the independent director, tomorrow's date, tomorrow's, not tomorrow, but 3 days after. If I say here, I'll get this. Supposing I want to change this to today, 4/21, 2020. So today's date I have taken for independent director. See, I'll say up to yesterday not covered. Today, this independent director is covered in today's dates. Tomorrow, after 5 days. This is how this works. This is all, these values are things to do, and they have got a time, they have got a deadline date, and you can create your own values, give dates, and check their deadlines in a split second. Thanks for watching.